Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DL Boots.
Hey guys, so what if I told you the way your smart home cameras connect to the internet could be the difference between a rock solid security or missed footage when it matters the most? Today we're putting PoE versus Wi-Fi head to head to the ultimate smart home security shutdown. By the end of this video, you will know which one is more secure, which one is more reliable, and which one makes more sense for your home. It's not just a YouTuber telling you what to do, it's just facts. So let's get started. First, let's do a quick breakdown. PoE, Power over Ethernet. PoE system use one Ethernet cable to deliver power, data, stable network connections. That single cable runs from your camera straight to a PoE switch or NVR. It uses no batteries, no Wi-Fi drops, and no guessing. Wi-Fi smart home device. Wi-Fi devices connect wirelessly to your router using 2.4 or 5 GHz bands. They're everywhere: camera, doorbells, smart locks, thermostat, and sensors. It's easy to install, it's flexible, and very popular. But convenience comes with a trade-off, which we'll get into it. Top companies and ecosystems. I found a list of the most popular companies of the market. Let's start with the top PoE security brands. Ubiquiti, pro-level gear, extremely reliable. For the hard thing, steeper leveling curve. Reolink, great value for PoE cameras, very popular for DIY installs. Hikvision, enterprise grade, powerful but not beginner friendly. Access communication, top tier security, using airports and government buildings. Now let's do top Wi-Fi smart home brands. Google Nest has a clear UI, great AI detection, cloud focus. Ring is easy to set up, strong ecosystem, but it requires a subscription. Arlo, excellent image quality, battery power flexibility. Eufy, strong privacy focus, local storage option. So I gave you the brands, now let's give you the pros and cons for these devices. For PoE pros, we have that is rock solid and is very reliable. There's not Wi-Fi interference, no signal drops. Higher video quality, full bitrate, no compressions limits. It's better for security because there's no Wi-Fi signal that can be intercepted. It can be up 24/7 as an uptime. There's no need for batteries or charging. Scales extremely well, perfect for 1 to 8 to 16 camera setups. And also, you can always add more. On the other hand, we have the cons for these cameras. They require running Ethernet cables, higher upfront cost, which means that you have to pay a little bit more. You have to do a little bit more planning for the installation, and there's less flexibility for the placement after you install them. PoE is a set and forget system, but you earn it upfront. Now that I gave you the PoE's pros and cons, let's move on to the Wi-Fi pros and cons. Let's start with the pros for the Wi-Fi. It has super easy installation, ideal if you're renting, flexible placements, integrates with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. It has a lower initial cost. For the Wi-Fi cons, the Wi-Fi congestion is real. Depends on your router quality, batteries, maintenance, easy to attack surface if network is insecure, and most of them have a cloud subscription that can be pretty spendy in the long run. Wi-Fi is very convenient, but it relies heavily on how good your network actually is. Now let's compare security on both devices. For PoE, the security are physically isolated. This means that to hack them, somebody needs to have a physical access of your home. They need to have your network credentials, and also they need to have advanced knowledge. Most PoE setups store data locally on an NVR, not in a cloud. This is huge for privacy because you're the only one that have access to that data. Not big tech company has access to your private data. To me, that's a huge privacy win. For Wi-Fi security, Wi-Fi systems are only as secure as your router, your password, or your firmware updates. The best practice to be able to have a better security for Wi-Fi is the WPA3 encryption, separate your network on a different VLAN. You need to have a strong, unique password. Also, you need to have a two-factor authentication. If you do it right, your Wi-Fi cameras are safe. If you do it wrong, you're not safe at all and you'll be exposed. So now let's move on with storage options. For PoE storage, you're gonna need an NVR. This does not have a monthly fee. You have full ownership of your footage. Works even if your internet is down. For Wi-Fi storage, this entails that it's on a cloud base, easy remote access, monthly subscriptions, and also it depends on the internet uptime. There's companies that provide a hybrid setup, but PoE still dominates to local control. So I'm gonna give you real world use cases. We have a few scenarios here. For a large home, the best choice will be PoE. For a rental, it will be Wi-Fi because you don't know if you're gonna be moving in the next month, year or so. For 24 hours surveillance, PoE will be more effective. If you own some smart lights or locks, Wi-Fi will be the best. If you want to focus on your privacy, PoE will be the best option. But if you want to do a quick DIY, the recommendation will be Wi-Fi. So who wins? PoE will win for security, reliability, and long-term performance. Wi-Fi wins for convenience, flexibility, and smart home automation. There's not one size fits all answer, but now you know exactly how to choose. If this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you team PoE or are you team Wi-Fi? Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a good day.